Alrighty guys, so let's go over this new Done For You campaign I'm going to be adding to the Cash App course. Now this one will actually probably be the last one that I add, at least for free anyway. Obviously I can't give away all of my campaigns or whatnot, but this one is going to be in there later today. Now this one is just a PDF method, so I'm going to explain how it works or whatnot, because I've already done so back in the past. You guys can go back and watch the video, basically me going over how to set everything up. This one I'm just going to use the whiteboard to basically just give you a quick rundown of how it all works, versus again going through and showing you literally how to do everything, because I already did that in the other video. If you are in the Cash App course, those videos, of me going through and setting up a PDF campaign, though, will be completely broken down, and those will be in there today as well. But as you guys can see, basically within the last hour here, we're at $80 and $87 in sales. So we had $352, $15, $412, $10, $438, $10, $502, $15, $517, $12. $526, $15, $539, $10, and it should be like that for quite a little bit for right now, until I'm not even going to get into it, but it'll be like that for probably like the next hour or two. Now let's get into how this whole thing works here. So first things first is you go to the PDF site, which again I've already talked about in the previous video. You guys can go watch it. It's in the playlist of the Cash App one, so if you can't find it in there, I don't know what to tell you, you're just lazy. It's literally like 10 videos, guys. It's not that hard. But anyway, you go to the PDF site, you are going to download the PDFs, and you are going to also get a video course that comes with it. So you pick a PDF that comes with the video course. Then from there, you're going to jump over to Easy Pages, and you are going to pick one of the templates out, and one of the funnels for a template, to be more precise. And then from there, you literally just build out the funnel. Literally will take you all of maybe 30 minutes. And then you're going to have an upsell and a downsell. And you're also going to, so the first thing you're going to be promoting is the PDF. So let's say, for example, we were doing a dog walking PDF, right? We would say that's going to be $10. And then we have a video course as an upsell for, another $5 for the PDF. And then let's say they don't buy it, then we'll drop it down to $2 for the video course. And then, if they pick that up, then they'll pay us a total of $12. So as you guys can see, literally following that same principle right here. That's where the $10, $15, and $12 came from. And that's literally the entire process. That is it. And then from there, once your funnel is all set up, all you do is go to an influencer and be like, hey, I'll give you $5 to shout this out or whatever. And, they will promote your stuff. Now, that's another thing I forgot to mention. This is not 100% profit. I did pay $30 for this particular shout out right here. So again, not bad at all. So like I said, guys, you got to love that influencer marketing. I'll give you guys a big tip, right? Because I know not everybody's in the Cash App course. So the biggest tip I can give you when it comes to doing this particular method with the influencer marketing is to find someone who is outside of the United States but has a huge United States following. That's the tip I'm gonna give you right there. If you find accounts like that, cash all day long, and it's gonna cost so little to get their accounts. To get their paid advertised, or you guys to do a paid influencer deal with them, because again, they can't really do anything with the traffic, and a lot of these people don't really do much with the traffic to begin with. Even your typical affiliate, not an affiliate, but influencer isn't really a business owner. Like, for example, look at these OnlyFans people, right? You'll see them making 50, 100K a month, and then they still broke because they're not business owners. So it's like the same thing with all these influencers, and a lot of them, I shouldn't say all of them, but a lot of them legit are just, oh yeah, if you can say, I'll give you 10% off every single sale that you get, or I can give you $1,000, and then they'll have like 100,000, people following them, and they'll say, oh, give me the $1,000. Because they would rather take this right here. They would rather take a guaranteed $1,000 versus they could have made, who knows how much? It depends on how much you were selling. Let's say you got 100,000 people or whatnot, and let's say you make $100,000 off that deal. This is just, you know, me just talking on my ass right here, making up random numbers. But then they would have got paid $10,000 instead of that $1,000, right? So yeah, but you know, you can find people who have hundreds of thousands of followers and literally pay them like damn near no money. I paid this dude. He had, damn, I think it was like 2.3 million followers or some shit like that. But there were some circumstances to why I was able to get this so cheap. But I paid dude like legit $30 to get my links in his description. Like, oh man, that was some of the easiest money I ever made. I was promoting this app. I went from like, I think it had like a total of like 70 downloads to like 10,000 overnight. Like, I'm telling you guys, if you do not mess with influencer marketing, guys, you are sleeping on a goddamn gold mine. Influencer marketing is amazing. I'm telling you, you can pay people. I already went over that. But anyway, you guys get the point. That's pretty much how the entire method works. For the Done For You campaign, basically, you're going to get the PDF stuff that I've been using. You're going to get the video course that I've been using, the entire funnel. So literally all you got to do is just pretty much plug in your Cash App username, and that's pretty much it for this one. You can also do the the follow-up series and all that stuff as well. But the main thing is literally just clicking the button, and then it'll just build the whole entire funnel out for you. And that is it. But yeah, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. If you haven't been doing the PDF method, highly recommend it. There is, again, a video on the channel here that literally explains step-by-step how to do this. If you are in the Cash App course, it will be up within the next couple hours here. I'm about to, basically upload everything, as we speak, and make some more videos, do some tweaking. You guys know over the last couple of days, if you've been in there, I've been adding a bunch of new videos and stuff.